Okay, you may know Zapier website. This is a really interesting use case in SEO because it generates about 5 million monthly SEO traffic, which generates for us about $73 million a month of SEO traffic. Like if they were paying for it with Google Ads, for example, they would pay this amount of money. So I'm SEO consultant. I've been SEO consultant since 2021. And today I'll show you exactly what steps you should follow if you want to replicate their strategy. So the first thing we will ask to ChatSEO is tell me what pages are bringing them the most traffic. Okay, nice. So here are the top traffic driving pages of Zapier. So here we have a quite interesting page, which is called Best AI Productivity Tools, and the estimate traffic that is coming for it is about 60,000 visits per month. So that's insane. We'll analyze this page so that you will understand how to create great pages as Zapier, like Zapier. So here we have the H1. We'll just open the detailed SEO extension to see all the SEO elements and how they are optimized. So the title here is pretty great. We have the main targeted keyword in it. We also have 2026, which is great, especially for GEO, because you may know that LLMs are searching on Google and they want fresh data, fresh content, so they are searching for the year just after the main keyword. So this is pretty great. We also have the brand's name. In the case of Zapier, this is efficient because it's a well-known brand. So just showing the brand here can increase the SEO CTR. So this is great. The description is great too, but we know that that's not the number one thing to optimize in SEO that will drive the most results. So let's just pass on it. Here is the H1, H2, H3, etc. structure, which is pretty great optimized. And let's see the content itself. So here we have the list of the category, the different categories of tool. So that's great. And here we have the whole listing per category. So here is the number one app for AI orchestration and automation. We see that Zapier put themselves in first. That's obvious. Then the AI chatbot, etc. So this is a quite good page. This is very, very long. As you can see, there are several screenshots, etc. Maybe when we can analyze with ChatSEO is we'll analyze the whole SEO optimization of this page. Please tell me why this page is driving that amount of traffic, and we will see. But what I want ChatSEO to do especially is analyzing their link building strategy and how much referring domains this specific page has. Okay, so why this page is a traffic monster. Word count is about 60,000, which is insane. More than 50 tools covered across 19 categories, so that's pretty great. A lot of internal links too, a lot of keyword that this page is ranking for. So yeah, it ranks for a massive keyword cluster, AI softwares, AI business tool, AI powered productivity tool. So these are all the business keyword, the business related keywords this specific page, this only page is ranking for. So that's pretty insane. Let's say this page drives way more traffic than entire website on average. So that's just pretty great. Okay, this is an interesting factor here. ChatSEO just told us that this page were continuously updated from 2023 to 2025. So the page was published in February 2023 and last updated December 2025. This is a living document strategy. Zapier keeps adding new tools, for example, as the AI landscape evolves. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Again, Google LLMs are all wanting to fetch fresh content, so just do according to it. Then okay, we'll pass on it. Okay, I will just say ask him please analyze the link building and authority strategy of this page. And so what after the analysis, I will tell you exactly how you can do the same thing today with some great AI like ChatSEO. Let's say that ChatSEO is the SEO strategy, the SEO brain of your AI stack. You can couple it with a massive production AI like Claude Code, for example. You can also connect Claude Code to your CMS as WordPress, etc. And then with the smartness of ChatSEO and the power of Claude Code, you can do really great things in SEO. So link building and authority analysis, total backlink. Okay, so this only page has got about almost 2,000 referring domains, which is insane, with an no-follow ratio which is quite low, so that's pretty good too. And so yeah, that's what I wanted to see, to check. So now we'll see how we can do the same thing. So I will just ask ChatSEO. Okay, considering I'm doing SEO in another topic, how could I take the winning strategy of Zapier and affect it to my website so that I can have the same results? Please give me some example on the for ChatSEO, for example, which is ChatSEO is an AI chatbot that answers the users based on SEO processes, based also on real SEO data, etc. Okay, so we'll just see what it will answer. Okay, so here is the full Zapier formula. So in one sentence, that's don't just rank for your product keyword, rank for every keyword your ideal customer searches before they know your product exists. So the first step will be to define your pre-awareness keyword universe. So for ChatSEO, your ideal customer is example of keyword best SEO tool, free SEO tool, AI SEO tools, how to do keyword research, SEMrush versus Ahrefs, etc. So the step 2 is the 3 content pillars to replicate. So best of listicles, like we just saw previously, these kind of pages are driving a lot of traffic to Zapier's website, so we can do the same. And by the way, we already did the same. If you go to our blog, we have here best free Uber suggest alternative or best AI SEO tools, etc. So that's pretty great. Then comparison pages, we also have them, so that's great. How to content, this is like the less effective strategy, I think, here, because that's great, but today a lot of people are searching for informational content on ChatGPT or other AIs, so doing it only for Google is not really insane. But if you cite your brand in the content as one of the steps, that the people need to do in order to have the result you promise, then can be great. But yeah, then the content depth strategy. Okay, so basically doing very long and valuable content, really like digging into the topic you're addressing. Okay, so for the link building strategy, we won't take into account what it said because Zapier is a famous brand, so we can't really replicate it in the short term. So here is the realistic roadmap for Chat SEO. Quick write 3 to 5 best of listicles, so we already did it. Authority building, publish original SEO, search data, get listed in directories. Comparison pages, we already did this. Compound growth, update all page, add new tool, build internal linking mesh. That could be a process that I could create in Chat SEO because we don't really do that for the moment. But today with Claude Code, etc., that could be really insane. So I will just note it and I will do it just right after the video. So, okay. So that's what you can do. The thing I recommend to you would be to create, like, just ask ChatSEO what to do in for your SEO, and you will see it's pretty great. And then you can just create a first page for each steps. Like, for example, the best keyword pattern, you will create one first page with ChatSEO, then you could duplicate it thanks to Claude Code, etc. So we'll just create a first page. Please create the page targeting, let's say, best AI SEO tool. Okay, so you can see here the way of working of ChatSEO is pretty interesting. I just ask it, please create the page. It analyzes first the SERP competition for the tool, for the keyword, sorry. So it knows perfectly what pages are currently ranking on Google and what content we want to create in order to satisfy Google. So that's great. And here is the full page. So we tested 20 best AI SEO tools in 2026. Here is what actually works. Chat SEO is our topic, indeed. So here, quick introduction. Here, table of content. Here, the full comparison table, so the full ranking of the tools. And here we have the detail for each tool. So it's still generating the content, so we'll just see the end. Okay, so after the full detailed ranking, here we have so how to choose the right AI SEO tool for your needs. So for freelancers, team, agency, enterprise, etc. Then a little talk about GEO and the future of SEO. Here an FAQ, which is pretty great. Useful sources just here. And here the full EAT checklist that you can send directly to your Claude Code so that Google considers you as a real brand, real author, so that you won't be put in the same category as AI slop that are generated nowadays. So that's really great. So as I said previously, you just have to publish this page. You also have, I think, the title of the page, etc. So you just publish it on your website, and then you can duplicate it easily with Claude Code. So for example, right now we were targeting best AI SEO tool. Tomorrow you can target best SEO tool for e-commerce websites, for example, and just ask Claude Code to take the same structure, etc. of the previous page it published, and then it will be fine.